Think about changing your windows in Houston? Before you sign a contract and compare quotes, there are a few things that every homeowner should know. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how window replacement works, what actually affects cost, what matters in Houston's climate, and how to make the right decision for your home. First off, let's talk about Houston itself. We deal with extreme heat, high humidity, intense UV exposure, and a hurricane season. This means your windows aren't just about looks. They're part of your home's insulation and protection system. Older single pane windows or failed double pane units allow heat to transfer directly into your home. That forces your AC to run longer and increases your energy bills. Modern energy efficient windows use low E glass coatings to reflect the infrared heat while still allowing natural light in. They also include argon gas between the panes for better insulation. The right window package can greatly improve inside comfort and reduce the strain on your AC units. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is what confuses people. Window replacement typically comes down to three factors. Number one, frame material. Vinyl is the most popular in Houston because it handles the moisture well and requires minimum maintenance. Number two, glass package, double pane versus triple pane. Low E coatings and argon gas all impact performance and price. Number three, insulation quality. Even the highest quality window will fail if not properly installed and sealed. When comparing quotes, don't just look at the bottom number. Ask about materials that are included, what the warranty coverages you get, and how the installation process works. One of the biggest concerns that people have is what happens during installation. On installation day, a professional team should protect your floors, furniture, and all the surrounding areas before removing any old windows. They'll inspect every opening for damage. They'll properly level the new window. They'll foam and insulate around the frame and seal it to prevent air and moisture infiltration. Most homes can be completed in one day, depending on the number of windows, and the cleanup should always be a part of the process. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the cheapest quote without comparing materials, ignoring the glass technology, and not reviewing the warranty details carefully. Windows are a long-term investment. The right decision now will save you thousands over time in energy costs and future replacements. If you're considering window replacement in Houston and want honest answers, visit our website or give us a call today. We'll walk you through all the options, explain exactly what you're going to get, and help you choose the best solution for your home and budget.